What's up everyone, welcome back to e-autosports.com. Today we're gonna check out some NRG innovation 6-point FIA approved seat belts. In the last video we checked out the 5-point SFI approved version. Today we're gonna check out the 6-point version. Let's open it up. Here we have on hand is a red one, and let's take it all out. Okay, so cam lock. Oh shoot. 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Here's the FIA tag. The expiration date is 2024. On the shoulder strap there's like a main certification. It looks pretty cool to prove that it's real. Here's the instruction telling you how to mount the seat belt. The FIA homologation. Every one of these already come with an eye bolt. It says class 8.8 up here, so good quality. Nice. Oh, this one is slightly different than the 5-point version. This one doesn't click, just moves left and right. Spring loaded. Alright, now let's test out the cam locks. And then to release, you just go left or right. Ooh, easy. Nice. Okay, here it is put together. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you find this helpful, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to purchase some for your car, just visit our website or use the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.